Hi guys, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I might as well say the full name. I don't know if you know this, but there's a giveaway going on, and I got a few messages, and so I'm going to give a video out, explain it all, and leave it out there to see how it works out. But yeah, there's a giveaway. It's a impromptu. Okay, so. I have it all written down. I was making those two houses that I made, these right here, and it's an album. You take the top off and there's an album inside. There's the video links are down below. Anyway, so I thought, wait. Uh, I wanted to do a giveaway because I hit 2,500 and now I'm almost at 2,700, but I was in Florida visiting my grandson, so I didn't do it, and it's been over a year since I've done a giveaway, so this one's a big one. It's going to be very big. So, I said in my tutorial part 2 and part 3, oh, why don't I just share this as a kit, the chipboard and the linen top quality paper, and then throw some goodies in since I'm moving. And so that's what's going on. But then a few people messaged me and said, but I love your shabby chic and Victorian, so I don't make albums. So I said, wait. Let's just do this right and do this all the way around so everyone can enjoy it. So I wrote notes. So, okay. Giveaway time. Why? I saw during the trip to Florida, I hit 2,500. And also, I'm moving and I have 2, 3, 4, and 5 of things. So I have so much stuff. So I'm going to gift it. How? Um, Go to part 2 or 3 of my mini house album tutorial and comment and share on one of them. You have to be a subby to here. And let's see how to do that. There's 3 ways to share this. You can go to part 1. No. You can go to part 2. You can go to part 3, or you can share this video. If you share, you need to open it to the world on your Facebook. There's a little round world, and it needs to say world, or it might say friends. Change it to world. Um, and when you share it, that way I can go see it and check it out and make sure it's there. Um, so I can see it. Let's see. Under this video and under part 2 and part 3, the reason why I'm not doing part 1 is I never mentioned it in part 1 because I didn't realize I was going to do it. But under part 2 and 3, in all videos on YouTube, under the video there's a share word, and you push share and it will ask you, where do you want to share it to? And you just choose where you want to share it to. But for me to be able to see it, you have to come back to whatever video you shared and copy the link and let me show it, so show me the link so I can jump to it and see it. So if you share on Facebook, say I have a laptop and I have Facebook open and then I have a second page of YouTube open, when I share it, it will pop up and it will share to Facebook. Sometimes it doesn't want to show and I just cancel it and then have to push it 1 or 2 more times. Don't spend a lot of time. Don't spend more than 2 minutes on this whole extravaganza. But it should show a picture of what you're wanting to share. And then share it to your page, share it to a craft group, but please make sure that craft group allows the proper sharing in your groups. I already shared to Glue Gun Chronicles, my group, and all links are down below. Even the video tutorials will be down below. Let's see. Under the video there will be a share word. Click that. Okay. Or go to my blog, Victorian Dreams by Leigh, on Facebook and share the video links from Victorian Dreams by Leigh to your personal locations you want it shared to, either a group or on your personal page. From there, let's see, from there, links below. I will add tutorial links also to this video, so you don't have to go back to those videos. That's nice, because I really want you to watch. It all started because I wanted you to watch how to put the house videos together. I wish you would rather go to those, but either way, it's okay. I just want to be out there. Share this video because I've gotten, okay, so I'm going to let everyone be a part of the giveaway, even if they share just this video, because I've gotten messages that they like my shabby chic or Victorian stuff, but they're not really into paper or albums because it kind of scares them off. And I'm like, okay, I understand, because I do a lot of shabby chic and a Victorian. So, you know, that's okay. I'll do that. And this video will be on my blog as well, so you can share just this video. The video sharing will close by May 18th. I'm giving it a month. And sharing is caring. I've said that for so many years. What's in the giveaway is a medium size priority mail box. One of these, let's see, this big old box. And I'm going to have the kit with the paper and the chipboard from the tutorial, the mini house album tutorial, and goodies that I have. And then I'll have, I mean, I just have so much stuff. If you've ever watched any of my hauls, I have 2 of so much, and I just have so much stuff. I literally have a path in my craft room right now because I'm a shopaholic apparently for crafts. There you go. There's the truth. So anyway, there'll be lace, there'll be paper, there'll be dies, there'll be folders. I gave away for 52 weeks, once a week, and then I gave away once a month. So yeah, there's people out there that will probably comment saying, yes, you do give away, and yes, this is real. And another thing that's popping through my head is, if you're not into paper, or if you're a beginner crafter, because I'm moving, this one time only, because I'm moving, whoever wins, just tell me I'm a beginner, or I really like this kind of stuff that I've seen you haul, and I'll try to make your box for you. So it's, you know, it's only one person. I can go out there and help that one person. And so, you know, this is a big giveaway. You just won't know it till you see it. But anyway, so there's all the information. I hope that I explained it well enough, because even though I wrote it down, no, I understand what I'm doing. But so hopefully you will participate and help me. I have wonderful, wonderful friends out there, and after I move, all I keep thinking about is, oh my gosh, this one sent me beautiful items a year ago, and I haven't had a chance to even speak to her or say hello. And there's people on my list in my head that I can't wait to start just sending surprise happy mail. I mean, true happy mail. So, because I kept addresses and addresses. So anyway, all right, guys, thank you for stopping by, and have a blessed day. Bye.